Hello and welcome to this video lecture. In this chapter, we're going to go over three fundamental properties of combinations. 1. The first fundamental property covers two equivalent scenarios. Picking R number of things out of a group of N things has the same number of combinations as picking N minus R number of things out of the same group. Formulaically, N choose R equals N choose N minus R. Examples: 6 choose 2 and 6 choose 4 as 4 equals 6 minus 2, 6 choose 2, which equals 6 choose 2, which equals 6 times 5 over 2 factorial, which equals 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 over 4 factorial, which is equal to 6 choose 4, which is equal to 6 choose 6 minus 2, which is equal to 6 choose 4, and 10 choose 7 and 10 choose 3 as 3 equals 10 minus 7. 10 choose 7 is equal to 10p7 over 7 factorial, which is equal to 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 whole over 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 10 times 9 times 8 whole over 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 10p3 over 3 factorial, which is equal to 10 choose 3, which is equal to 10 choose out of 10 minus 7. 2. The second fundamental property tells us picking nothing out of a group of n elements, or picking n things out of a group of n things, both result in exactly one combination. N choose 0 equals n choose n equals 1. Example: 5 choose 0 is equal to 5 choose 5. Now we can write 5 choose 0 as 5p0 over 0 factorial, which is equal to 1 over 0 factorial, which is equal to 1 over 1, which is equal to 1. And 5 choose 5 as 5p5 over 5 factorial, which is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 5 factorial, which is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 1. Therefore, 5 choose 0 is equal to 5 choose 5 is equal to 1. Third, the third fundamental property tells us picking just one thing out of a group of n things, or picking n minus 1 things out of n things, both result in exactly n combinations. In the former case, each thing is its own combination, and in the latter, each thing is excluded once. So n is the answer in both cases. N choose 1 is equal to n choose n minus 1, which equals n. Example: 7 choose 1 is equal to 7 choose 6. Now, we can write 7 choose 1 as 7p1 over 1 factorial, which is equal to 7 over 1 factorial, which equals 7. And 7 choose 6 as 7p6 over 6 factorial, which is equal to 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 over 6 factorial, which is equal to 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 over 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which equals 7 over 1, which equals 7. Therefore, 7 choose 1 is equal to 7 choose 6, which equals 7.